second biggest problem with service business, hands down, is scheduling. Every service business has trouble deciding and determining when they can get to the next project on their list, and there's a lot of factors for this. Weather, if you're doing exterior projects and painting, even interiors where customers might add something or change the scope of work a little bit, and then that then requires different time, and we want to stick with you through those changes, because that happens and we get that, but it does change our outlook on when we can start the next project. So that's a big issue. And one thing that we've done here at Rodgers Painting, and when we've been trying to develop a scheduling tool that gives us room to be able to make those changes and accommodate each customer, but also give a reasonably close projection to our future customers as well. We're really excited about this. We just developed it. We're implementing it now. We are going to be coming to you with a completely new scheduling system, so that as soon as you accept an estimate with us and we've got that down, we can say, hey, so-and-so, we're going to be here around this time. And usually we can get that. What we're seeing is within about a week. And so it gives you a really good projection of that. So second biggest problem is scheduling. Rodgers Painting, here we're trying to fix that.